In this year's capstone, we developed the pepper finch Lidar and how to use it. This is how we set the Lidar, and we set the Lidar with the static IP address. And the IP address was set by the 169.254.209.45, and we also set the mask and the gateway. Oh, this is shows about the MAC IP address, and it is unchanged part of the Lidar. This Lidar is very useful and funny stuff. This is an eye, a demo eye toys, and it will be moved with the movement of the nearest stuff. And similarly, there are another interesting things for this Lidar. Like here, it's like a meter for the nearest stuff's distance. This is how the Lidar set is, and it could be funny. Now we set a connection on the computer. We edit the Lidar connection, and we set the address just one dot, the last number difference. Here, we always track this to run it, and the netmask tells how many stuffs we can connect. This is how the IP address, how the Lidar, how the network connection in the computer setting. It will be setting in this part, this way. Then after June, I tried to develop a Google Cartographer by myself in here. Google Cartographer is one stuff's funny because it uses the engine not only CMake and makes the developer a little harder, but I still can run the demo right now. Then with the show, it's clearly for us to see that I don't need to run the ROS core and RBIZ arrows independently, just run everything in one code. And this is how the Google Cartographer developed the map by the demo bag. It is for a museum, and we can see it used IMU point and other stuffs. It doesn't use the audiometry input, but use the IMU instead. This is the part I still developed, but not work right now. Yeah, but I will keep work on it. Then this Lidar scan very fast, and with the green point we could clearly see how people walk around it, but not count as the map. It is a smart slam. All the green dots around the Lidar shined means the scan active. And then this is the final review of the final mapping by the Google Cartographer in the demo. Thank you.